guys, it's Tammy, and I am just going to use up some leftovers and make a really cool dinner for the boys. So I have these King's Hawaiian rolls. This is the only thing I actually bought for this specifically, and I really don't know if I want to make all of them or just half of them. I wish I could freeze half of them and let them eat some of them later. I don't know, because I know that they're not going to eat all 12 of these. So maybe that's what I'll do. Maybe I'll just make 6 for now, and then I'll see if I have some Tupperware or something to put another 6 in so that they can have it for later. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut this down the middle so that you have like a little sandwich. These are great for sliders, or we are going to make meatball sandwiches with these. I didn't cut it all the way. There we go. So I'm just laying this flat on the ground. Gosh, this lighting is so poor. Let me see if... Is that better? Might be darker, but maybe you'll be able to see better. Okay, so I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to take some leftover meatballs. I'm just going to stir it up just a little bit. Oh, it smells so good. And I'm going to put at least one meatball. These are big, huge meatballs, though. If you guys remember when I made these. I'm going to put at least one meatball on every thing. I don't even know if I have 12 left, so maybe I'll do 8 and see what happens. Okay, so let me take these out of here. Taz is here, hoping that I drop something, I think. Oops. I was going to scoot this back, but because they are so full and heavy, I can't even scoot it back, so I'm just going to leave it in there where it is. And I'm going to take 2 more meatballs if I can find them. And then I can just have meatballs. I don't need, and there's some meat that's like kind of crumbled in here because I had done that already. So I'm just going to put a little bit of this sauce around. And if you had store-bought meatballs, you could certainly use those too. Just put your meatballs on here and then cover them with pasta sauce. And I have some of that left over as well, so I'm going to do a little bit of that also. I should have shaken it a little bit. So I have homemade sauce mixed with spaghetti or pasta sauce. And I'm just going to pour that in my leftover tray. And then what you do is you take some cheese. Make sure every piece gets some cheese. These meatballs are pretty big for this. I've never done it with such big meatballs, but hey, you know what? It will work. My guys will love it. So there we go, and then we're going to bake this for about, I don't know, 10-15 minutes, because it's already cooked at 350, and I will show you what it looks like. I'm actually not going to cook it until later. I'm home early, so I made these early just to have them ready, but I will bake them after the guys are ready to eat, or when the guys are ready to eat, and then I'll show you what it looks like. But there we go. Easy, super yummy dinner, and yeah. So thanks guys, I'll be back.